The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
If it's growth and income stocks you want to hear about, then you'll probably want to pay special attention to the two that our editor of our Income Investor Service, Ryan McQueeney, has picked out for you. A technology company and a real estate investment trust, an interesting combination.
Yeah, I'm excited for the REIT. It's a fun one.
Yeah.
We'll start with Cisco, which reported after the bell yesterday.
Yep.
Earnings of 70 cents per share. Topped estimates by about a penny. Solid growth, though, 15% year over year. Revenues also better than expected. Revenue growth of 6% in the quarter. And two things I wanted to highlight on the growth side of things, as you mentioned. Strength in the company's security and applications units, what really helped top-line growth this quarter. Security was up 10% year over year, applications up 12% year over year in terms of overall revenue. And then on the guidance thing, you need these quarters to be beat and raise quarters, obviously, in today's market.
They have positive guidance going forward.
Yeah, solid guidance. They expect Q1 2019 revenue to grow 5% to 7%. That's right in line with what we just saw this quarter.
Yep.
And then earnings expected to fall between 70 cents and 72 cents per share. That's upbeat compared to the Zacks consensus estimate, which was 69 cents heading into the day. So I did just want to see investor reaction to the report. If we take a look at the one-day chart here, this is what we like to call a gap up, moving from about that 43.50-ish range at the close all the way up to this morning's trading 45.70 range. Definitely a solid report and good reaction from Wall Street to Cisco's latest earnings announcement.
Okay, and this morning is Thursday, August the 16th for people following on the calendar. And then that REIT, Americold Realty, been a big mover lately.
Yeah, so this is a fun one. Americold is a REIT focused on owning and operating temperature-controlled warehouses. So if you're trying to do any refrigerated warehouse business, these are like the kings of that business. And just to get a sense of where that kind of puts them, that means they're also kind of tangentially connected to like the food and food distribution industry, because, you know, one of the biggest sources of demand for temperature-controlled warehouses is obviously food.
Yeah.
So if we take a look at the price consensus and EPS surprise chart here, recent IPO, so we don't have much history here, but a stock that has been soaring since its debut. We'll see here, latest earnings report actually missed estimates. I say these young stocks, we can't really trust estimates too much when they first get in. We don't have a ton of estimates right at the beginning, and it's tough. You got to get your footing with the expectations. Investors still had a pretty decent reaction to the report. This thing, again, as you mentioned, has been soaring recently. And I wanted to say that regardless of the miss, this is a decent estimate revision trend in the wake of the report. A little bit mixed here in terms of the full year 2018 revisions. But as we can see for the current quarter and the full year in 2019 estimates, the Zacks consensus estimate has been trending upwards. So that's the trend we like to see. It's a Zacks ranked number 2 buy right now, and definitely a stock I'm going to be paying attention to, and has about a 3.2% yield right now.
Okay. Do you own either one of these right now?
We have Cisco in the Income Investor. We do not have Americold in the Income Investor. I own neither personally.
Okay, thanks for that. Don't forget, more stock information always on our website, Zacks.com. Get over to the homepage and start checking it out. And don't forget, Ryan does a few audio podcasts as well that you'll want to check out. Tech Talk Tuesdays is one of the ones that he works on weekly. For that, you'll have to go to the podcast page of Zacks.com. Meantime, with Ryan, I'm Terry Ruffalo.